It looks like it is impossible in 2024 to get Ungated for Nike. There's report of new sellers saying either on the Discord server or in the comments that it is impossible. They keep submitting and getting denied automatically. There's nothing that they can do. They keep submitting. And maybe it's your story, by the way. You keep submitting invoices, and it never works. In today's video, we are going to talk about this situation. I'm going to give you a few tips, and we're going to look at how we can actually get you approved to sell Nike in 2024 and beyond if you are getting rejected every single time, so you can start making money with Nike, because Nike is a great brand to actually sell on Amazon. First of all, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube for 100% free, all right? So if I were you, I would subscribe and I would like this video so I get recommended more videos, all right? You are welcome. Also, I offer coaching, one-on-one coaching. If you want to book a call with me to scale your business, link in the description. All right. So, as I said, it's getting harder and harder to get Nike, and so you should not see this negatively. All right, because the way you should actually see this, especially if you are a new seller, is that you do not want things to be easy. That's the first thing. You do not want things to be easy. The reason why is because if it is easy, everybody is going to get Ungated in Nike. If everybody is Ungated in Nike, it is going to be like everything is going to tank, because everybody is going to source Nike. Nike is one of those brands that, for whatever reason, is one of the first brands that people check actually first when they are doing some retail arbitrage, okay? And when they are doing online arbitrage, this is something that I do not understand. Yes, they have some great products, but why do you want to sell? If you see a Nike product, you absolutely want to sell this product. All right. There are so many other brands that are profitable. It's not the only brand in the world. I don't understand why you are so happy to actually buy products to resell, because you know that most of the products that you buy that are Nike are going to tank, because you suck at sourcing and you buy the exact same product as that everybody's actually sourcing, and so for that reason all the products that you buy are tanking, but you still get excited to buy Nike. It does not make any sense for me. But as I said, it's still a brand where you can make a lot of money, all right? And so the harder it is to actually get Ungated in Nike, the less competition you are going to have, and so this is the way that you should actually see this thing, okay? If you just persist, if you just try to go through it, all right, keep trying, if you just keep trying to actually get Ungated, you will eventually get Ungated, and most people are not going to do it, and you'd be surprised at the amount of people that just give up, not only with Ungated, but that give up with the Amazon business altogether, because it's a little bit too hard, okay? I have come across, I cross path with a ton of people that started selling on Amazon that actually stopped, okay? Even people that were actually doing some money, okay? Because they start chasing, and this is the video that I probably released yesterday. If you see this video on the day that it released, this is what I talked about in yesterday's video. You know, people keep chasing the next shiny object, and they never want to actually dive deeper into one thing to help them make money. And even people that actually start making money actually give up, okay? There's actually one guy that I saw on Twitter that was making multiple millions a year that actually gave up because he said that Amazon is getting too competitive. It is not, okay? It's just a bitch mentality, and I'm sorry to say it like this, but if this is the way you think about this shit, you're just a bitch. All right, you're just a bitch. You need to be able to face competition, because if something is profitable, there's always going to be competition. And Amazon is not super competitive, by the way. It's still a blue ocean, in my opinion. Okay, it's not a red ocean at all, like some people want to make it seem. It is still a blue ocean. It is still 100% a blue ocean. So if you are scared of a little bit of competition, you are never going to make it with anything in life, because with Amazon, it is like the competition is so low. If you really want something that is competitive, and it's not even super competitive, but it is already more competitive, try Hype Sneakers reselling, okay? This is way more competitive. Amazon, like, it's just easy mode. If I'm being honest, Amazon is just easy mode, all right? So with Ungating, you do not want Ungating to be easy. You want Ungating to actually be hard. So whenever you actually are able to get Ungated, you know that most people are not going to be able to do it. And to be Ungated, you just need to persist. Okay, you just need to keep trying. That's pretty much it. So if you are getting, I'm going to give you a few tips, okay, if you want to actually get Ungated. All right, so if you want to get ungated, and this is the thing that we've been repeating over and over again, right? If you want to get ungated, you are probably not going to be accepted on the first try. And I want to show that this is possible. So shout out to Pratt, okay, who is on the Discord server. He had to submit, if you look at it, actually somebody, Kazu, which is a new member on the Discord, shout out to you, actually said, I cannot get ungated on Nike if my life depends on it, man. And Pratt replied that, you know, he had to submit 55 times to get approved, okay, which is actually crazy. I've never heard of somebody actually submit invoice that many times. But right now, it really seems like it is like the way it's going to go, okay, with Nike, especially with Nike, it's getting super hot. All right. Widya that I talked about, that is in my coaching group, actually submitted 21 times, and it took her a couple of months to actually be able to get ungated on Nike. That's like the only thing that you need to do is keep trying, keep submitting, try different avenues. So try with the regular way. Try to reach out to the case log, okay? Open a case in the case log on Amazon, a new case, okay? Do not just reply to the case that opens when you actually try to get ungated, and say, like, title it whatever you want and say, hey, I'm trying to, and of course do not say, hey, I'm paraphrasing, okay, to get you an idea of what you need to say. So say, hey, I'm trying to get brand approval for Nike. All my documentation meets the requirements. I'm not getting, like, it's not like I'm getting auto decline. And try to see what they say. Ask for your documentation to be reviewed. Sometimes they can push it through. Sometimes they can't. Depends on who you fall into and who your message get delivered to, right? And so the thing that you need to understand with the case log is that it is an automated machine, and you need to put the right keyword to be put in front of the right person. So try to ask to be for your case to be reviewed by a manager or some stuff like this. So it can help you a little bit, but not 100% sure. This is what helped me a lot when I had to deal with the case log. Not necessarily pertaining to ungating, but it actually helped me a lot to find you just need to be able to find the right keyword, all right? So that's when it comes to using the case log. But mainly, you're just going to trust the process. Trust me, keep resubmitting your invoice, okay? That's the only thing that you can actually do, okay? And you have nothing to lose by actually submitting your invoice. Do not be scared of another rejection, okay, with ungating. If you like, it's not going to do anything to your account, okay? If they decline your Nike your application to ungate Nike, you're gonna be fine, okay? It's not that big of a deal. Keep submitting, resubmit. You get they decline your invoice, change the name of the PDF, okay? Change the name of the pictures that you sent. Maybe take out the pictures and resubmit. All right. Eventually, you'll get ungated, as you can see, and I'll show it to you once again if you skipped the video until here. Pratt had to submit 55 times to get ungated. Widya, who is, and I showed that to you on my last video on how to ungate Nike. Widya had to submit 21 times. All right. Back in the days, I had to submit 8 times, I think, for Nike. And you can actually check this, okay? And if I were you, the best resource that we have on ungating is go to the Discord server, go on ungating right here, and go to the pinned comments, which are right here. All right, and so we have a ton of resource when it comes to ungating. So I did not write it for Nike, but for Disney I had to submit 8 times, Under Armour 4 times, Funko 4 times, Puma 5 times. So just trust the process, resubmit. That's it. You just need to resubmit. Just trust the process. Do it. You'll be fine. You just need to resubmit. All right. So that's what I wanted to tell you with this video. Trust the process and like, do not be scared of a little competition. Okay. Do not be a bitch. Do not be a crying ass bitch. Be a man. Okay. If there's competition, that's actually a good thing. Face competition. Do not be scared. And good things are waiting for you on the other side, okay? On the other side of the competition. Once you understood what I'm saying, okay? I'm a little bit tired, so I'll go to sleep, watch these other videos, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.